Hello everyone, here we've got Redmi 10A and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. First of all, you need to open your phone dialer and then go to contacts. Pick the contact that you would like to block, tap on more icon and select block numbers. Click on block to activate it, and as you can see, the blockade is active, so from now on that will not be able to call you or send you a message. Then whenever you wish to unblock some contact, tap on more icon and click on unblock numbers. Confirm it, and that's it. You can also reach some general options. To do it, tap on more icon on your phone dialer, click on settings then, and select block numbers. And here you can block all unknown callers by using this indicator, and also you can add some number manually by yourself by tapping on add a number, and then you can provide the particular number. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.